Welcome in a quick tutorials. In this video I want to show you how you can fade in your audio or fade out your audio in Hitfilm Express 12. All you have to do is just go to Effects. I'll just delete that. Effects, right there, Fade. Take the fade, paste it on the end of your audio. Let's see. And you can drag it. And let's hear it. Like, let's go like that, maybe put it on the beginning. It was nice fade in. Let's make it even longer. So yep, and that's it. That's how you fade in your audio in a Hitfilm Express. So thank you very much everybody, and goodbye.